Pleasant day to all of you. We are here to present our investigatory project entitled The Efficacy of Canistel and Latundan Banana in Preventing Anemia. This study was prepared to know if Canistel and Latundan Banana cookies can prevent blood disorder like anemia and to compare the commercial cookies. The researcher made a survey to describe the variation of Canistel and Latundan cookies compared to the commercial one, and also created some laboratory tests to see its effectiveness. According to the result of laboratory tests, the Canistel and Latundan banana cookies has a high source of iron and a capability to prevent anemia, and it contains different vitamins and minerals. Compared to the commercial cookies, the Canistel and Latundan banana cookies had a great benefit. It is very nutritious and can prevent anemia. The researcher therefore concluded that the Canistel and Latundan have more benefit than other commercial cookies, and it is very nutritious and capable in preventing anemia.
The researchers would also like to advise for the future studies to search on how to preserve Canistel and Latundan banana cookies for a long life period of time, and to improve the appearance, shape, texture of the Canistel and Latundan banana cookies for the best results.